Welcome back. We are continuing our weather coverage in Union County.
WCNC Charlotte's Miles Harris there joining us live now where we just got out of that tornado warning. Miles, what can you tell us from there?
Yeah, well, and hey, Nick and Jane, we're in the town of Waxhaw right now, and while Governor Cooper has issued that state of emergency, Union County officials, they have also issued a state of emergency because of the severe weather. Now, yes, the tornado warning is kind of calming things down here. When it comes to the rain and that wind, it's been coming and going in waves here. We have seen a couple of cars kind of be on this busy roadway here. This is Waxhaw Marvin Road, a very popular road here in Union County, specifically here in the town of Waxhaw. But there is still that concern when it comes to first responders and really when it comes to this weather, but more especially when it comes to flooding and how it can impact the roadways. Now, officials, they want you to stay inside if possible, but Waxhaw Fire Chief Greg Sharp says that for anybody that does need to leave their house today, be sure to keep an eye on the conditions before stepping out that door.
The biggest thing is watch for standing water in the road and don't assume you can drive through it. Just avoid it, go another way. And if you know there's a lot of trees that are really old and hang near the roads, I would choose a different path, especially when the wind picks up in case one of them comes down.
Now, the town has done a really good job when it comes to pre-deploying assets to keep people in the area safe, especially when it comes to dealing with those roadways. Now, they've even barricaded a couple of those roads that are really at potential for those high risks when it comes to flooding. Now, again, things are calm here at the moment, but as you can see, the wind is really starting to pick up here in this area. And we also know that several first responders and also emergency crews, they are all hands on deck and ready to react in case of an emergency. We'll be sure to give you another update on how things are looking here in Union County within the next hour. Reporting live here in Waxhaw, I'm Miles Harris, WCNC Charlotte.